Hey, what's going on, family? It's your boy Tone Prestige checking in, man. You know what I'm saying? On Steam, I'm at Crypto Blessings. I also got the Blessing of Prosperity cracking. Again, Tone Prestige on Bitconnect. You know what I mean? Look here, about to go ahead and show y'all real quick how to get into a $100 Bitconnect loan. And first and foremost, you'll see here, man. Right here, this is my Bitcoin wallet. You know, over here in my menu, it gives you a breakdown of everything that, pretty much anything that you go into, you can click on the tab and it'll help you navigate through the system or whatnot. Here, you got your daily trading rates for different Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is showing at about $4,302.72. Um, you can earn by referring new members, learn more um, for referrals. The referral process. I'm actually a BCC school. Click and show you guys. That's what my sponsor is, BCC school. But again, I'm gonna go back to my dashboard and walk you guys through how to go ahead and process this actual Bitconnect loan. Okay, first, what you want to do is you want to exchange your Bitcoin for a Bitconnect token. Okay, once you exchange it, you can either click here on exchange or you can go over here to the menu BCC exchange. Okay, so let's click BCC exchange, and as it pops up, you'll see here I already, like I said, I already have Bitcoin in my wallet. Just transferred about $100 from the exchange that I use. You can use Coinbase, whichever one you choose. Um, there are several others. Again, okay, so now what I want to do is I want to exchange the Bitcoin for Bitconnect. So I'm going to go down. You'll see here you got different charts of speaking in terms of the Bitconnect coin, which is doing pretty good right now. Might I add? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to sell my Bitcoin and buy an actual Bitconnect coin. So what I want to do is I'm going to go here and buy BCC. I want to click all. The reason I clicked all is because here you'll see that there is about, like I said, $100 worth. Okay, and it'll automatically generate for you. Okay, once you come down here, you're gonna look at here and go to your selling orders. Get your live selling orders and click. Normally you can click on the first one. I like to go down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Look at the size of them. This one here is about 313, so I know that I have enough to cover what I'm doing. And again, come up here and check your numbers, but you want to hit all again. Okay, so I'm gonna transfer all of my Bitcoin for the Bitconnect coin and actually exchange it now. So to do so, now that I look and I notice that everything is accurate, uh, this is going to translate once I buy the Bitconnect coin. Okay, I see here. And then you'll notice that everything here is correct. Once you notice that all of those items are intact for you, you scroll down and verify. Remember, please verify this detail before confirming. All orders are final once submitted, and make sure that it's just letting you know that you can't reverse what you just did. All right, so we're going to go ahead and confirm that because I am committed to getting me a Bitconnect coin. Okay, shows here a message that the BCC buy was placed. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll back up, and you'll see here now that my Bitcoin wallet is empty, but I transferred and exchanged it over here to my Bitconnect wallet. Okay, moving ahead. Now that I have the Bitconnect coin, I can go ahead and go back to my dashboard and execute the loan that I would like to do. Now, when I say execute the loan, okay, you'll see here, this is my lending wallet. Okay, as of right now, what I have to do is in order to lend, I'm gonna have to lend Bitconnect. Okay, here you'll see it has volatility software interest. What it is basically you're gonna earn interest daily based on whatever the rate is for that day. And depending upon how much you put in is going to be based on the term that you utilize it. So if you were to invest $100 to $1,000 at the volatility interest rate at 200, and that would be about 299 days. So let's click here and let's show you. Okay, it normally gives you a 5-day breakdown of what the interest credited would be for the last 5 days. So if you see here, these have already been applied, and that's because I've already received on this date, I received 1.85% and so forth and so on. Now, every now and then you get low, a little smaller interest rates, but then we love to see these here, in the 1.44s and things of that nature. This is actually today. Today's interest rate is 0.52%. And tomorrow we got a lower interest rate, and that's because the volatility is not that bad as far as tomorrow. So, but hey, still free interest that you're gaining on a daily basis that adds up. All right. So now that I've shown you that, if you look over here, scroll down. In the last 30 days, this is a projected earnings calculator. So say I do the $100 loan. Okay. The last 30 days, the average interest rate was about almost 1%, 93.93%. And we're going to say for the term of the 299 days that we discussed, if I input that and calculate it, you'll see here below, once I click calculate my profit, okay, off of $100, I would have earned in profit $278.07, with a return of interest at 278.07%. And again, you get your initial profit and principal back. So the total amount at the end of the loan you would have received is $378.07, and that's off of $100. It's not bad, So let's just go ahead and say, okay, if we wanted to do it a little bit further, we're going to go back to our dashboard. And again, like I said, I have Bitconnect in my wallet. I'm going to go ahead and do a Bitconnect loan. Okay. So I enter here the amount of the loan that I would wish to do, which I said we're going to go and do $100. Now, in the event that I had did a larger amount, $1,010 to $5,000, the volatility software, they're going to give you whatever the interest rate is for that day, plus an additional 0.10% daily. And the term is actually shorter as well. And you can see here at 239 days, that's a lot less than the 299. But I mean, it really adds up, and so on and so on. If you were to invest more, the terms get shorter. You can do it for as less as 120 days with an additional 0.25%, if you wanted to go bigger and larger. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do $100. I have already read the terms. If you haven't, we'll click on it just so that you can see. And the terms, pretty much just, basic terms, letting you know about your risk and everything. And I recommend, if you're investing in anything, do your homework and make sure that you know what you're getting yourself into. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my dashboard. All right. Actually, I'm already here in this window. Sorry about that. Now, like I said, I've already read the terms, so I'm gonna agree to those and pay from my Bitconnect wallet for the $100 investment that I'd like to do. And once I click on pay, it'll generate and let me see what the transaction is that I'm actually about to make. It's coming from my Bitconnect wallet. Investment, that's the type of transaction. And I'm going to give it to the trading bots, and they're going to go to work for me. That at that $100 rate. And again, for 299 days. Now, keep in mind that your capital will remain locked for those 299 days, and the interest will be credited to your account daily. You can withdraw the interest at any time. So, just keep that in mind. But you can always get your interest, but the initial investment, you'll have to wait the term. All right. Confirm, because I would like to confirm. And it says success. I've successfully lent $100 to the Bitconnect trading bot. And we're going to go on and go from there. Okay. So you see here, now that that loan has been created, you have officially and successfully done your loan. Now I'll show you. I initially did 210. This is a test account. I did $200. And the $200 that I did, you'll see that it's already been going to work for me. I'll scroll down and show you all the way from this date. I invested 100. I decided to let that go to work. I came back. The bot is working. I invested another 100, and within less than 6 days, I had already made $10. This $10 that you see here, I actually reinvested. And that's what you definitely want to make sure that you do. And you'll see that just a little short period of time, within about 10 days, I've already earned $17.66 that, I could either reinvest or withdraw and do whatever it is that I wish to do. And like I said, it adds up really quick. So check it out. If you're interested, check the bio in my link down below, and can show you how to get started in this thing, man. And it's a lot of money that's being moved around, and great opportunity for investors. By no means do I try to force anybody to do or see the vision that I see. This is just my own personal beliefs. I think that this is a great opportunity, and I wish you the very best and success in your investing. All right. Blessings and prosperity to you all. Excuse me for the stumble, and you all have a blessed and wonderful day. Thanks.